The countdown has begun. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, is inching towards being officially commissioned. The warship is out for another set of sea trials, rigorous exercises to see how it performs in various conditions. The INS Vikrant is an engineering marvel. 76% of its parts are indigenous, a glowing testimonial to the country's vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. The ship has been built at a cost of around rupees 23,000 crore. The warship has been described by the Navy as historic. It will propel India into a select group of countries having capabilities to build state-of-the-art aircraft carriers. The best warship will need to host the best warplane. The Rafale M is being seen as a top choice. The other one in the contention is F-18s. Indian Navy has conducted flight trials of Rafale maritime fighter at shore-based test facility at INS Hansa in Goa. So why the Rafale M? It can fit into the lift bay of INS Vikrant with ease. The Rafale M's dimensions also mean that up to 14 can fit onto the deck of the Vikrant. The aircraft requires very minimal modification for the wheel chokes. The Rafale M can carry up to 4 to 5 tons of external load for a ski takeoff. With lesser internal fuel, it can carry more weapons depending upon mission requirements. The aircraft can carry out all roles, including combat air patrol, intercept as well as sea and land strike with a full fuel tank. There is also the benefit of a common platform across the Navy and the Air Force. Indian Navy pilots could be trained on Indian Air Force's Rafales for faster induction. The need for new warships was felt largely due to China's aggressive military posture in the region. The Indian Navy is the most experienced in terms of naval aviation, coming in third after the US and France. In contrast, the Chinese naval aviation is only around 10 years old. But China is not to be taken lightly. With 2 aircraft carriers as deterrents, India's message can be heard loud and clear across the Indian Ocean region.